Hi, hello. Today I have this dramatic kind of festival look. You can wear it for festival because it's got a bit of glitter in there and it's very dramatic. I'm loving these eyelashes. They're really dramatic and in your face, but you can still see what's on the eyelids. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so again with the all natural lighting, we are a bit closer. Please ignore some of the dog noises or barks in the background. I do have my doggo here, little Karis, the Jack Russell. Stay there, Kat. Oh, she's a-coming. She's coming. There she is. Karis, say hi. Hi. So today I am recreating a look by an Instagrammer called Katrina_Triant, I believe. I don't know, but this is what the look looks like. I'm going to recreate this, or attempt to recreate it. So this is my inspiration for the day. I'm going to jazz it up a little bit more and maybe add some glitter and make it like a festival look. This is the look we are recreating today, so let's get started. Okay, so I am going to start with my base. I have been starting with my eyes recently, but I do prefer to start with my base just because I feel like I've got to be extra careful with my eyes and stuff with the foundation and concealer and powder, etc. So yes, my hair is all natural, curly, ignore that. Okay, so for primer today I want a luminous base. So I'm going to go in with the Fasali Rose Gold Elixir 24 karat gold infused beauty oil. I just have the 15ml, I believe the bigger version is 50ml. I'm going to take this on a dual fibre brush. This is the Morphe M427. So I'm just going to shake this. Love the smell of this. Okay, so the foundation I'm going to go in with today, again I want the luminous base. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I have the shade 4.5. It looks like this. I'm just going to bounce that on my skin with a sponge. Okay, so I'm liking that light layer. Okay, so then for concealer I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. I actually haven't used this in quite a long time. Not ages like, but... Okay, so then I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. Okay, so then I'm going to set my whole face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 05 Fair. This is very new to me. I only tried this yesterday in a first impressions, so hopefully this is good. Again, because it was good in the first impressions, but obviously first impressions doesn't really tell you much. This does mattify the skin quite nicely, but I do want it to shine, so we're going to pack that highlight on. Okay, so for bronzer today I'm going to take the L'Oreal Back to Bronze bronzer. I love this bronzer because it's a nice neutral shade and it just gives me a nice warmth to my skin, but not too like orange. I heard about the car crash in London today. It's been said that it might be a terror attack, but it might not because it's only a car crash. I remember where they said that it happened, and I was literally watching it like 10 minutes ago. Okay, so then for blush today I'm going to take the Milani Baked Blusher in Luminosa. I love this blush and I am definitely not a blush person. I'm going to apply a little bit of this just to add some luminosity to my skin. Even though I never wear blush, I am starting to like blush a lot more because I am using it a lot more for my videos, and it's making me branch out a little bit more, which is great. Now I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. Okay, so today I'm going to be using what I've been using for a mirror. This is the Balm Mirror Luminizer highlighter. Absolutely love this. It's my go-to when I do a look and I'm not sure what highlighter to use and I'm in a rush. I just whip this out and I am good to go. Look at that. I don't normally use fan brushes either, but I'm loving how it's turning out. Ooh. Okay, so now I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyebrows, and I will be right back with the eyes. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the Juvia'S Zulu palette. Just looks like this. I'm going to be using this shade, maybe this shade, and this shade, I believe. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is this orange shade to pack in the crease. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe M322 brush, which I like to use to pack on colour. Also, I haven't set my lid, so the eyeshadows pop a bit more. Okay, so then I'm just going to blend out them edges slightly with the same brush. See how easy these shadows are to blend. I'm not using any extra product, I'm just using what's left on the brush. Next I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C0.5 just to cut the crease. And I'm going to be using the Real Techniques Detailer brush as usual. So just take your time on this part and really concentrate on cutting the crease. I'm only going to do half a cut crease, so okay, so then next I'm going to go in with this shade for a base colour. I'm going to take the Morphe E36 brush. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly take some of the orange again and place that on the outer corner just to merge them in. It doesn't really matter too much because we are going in with glitter by here. Okay, so now I'm going to take this shade, which is like a bluey green shade, shimmer shade, on the same tiny E36 brush, and I'm just going to place this on top of that teal colour. Okay, so to make the eyeshadow pop a bit more, I'm going to spray some all-nighter spray on the brush and dip into that shade. Okay, so before I do the glitter, I'm going to do a thin black liner just to hide the waterline. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Precise liquid liner. Okay, so the glitter I've got is from eBay. I believe this is from a company, oh my god, I forgot what it's called. I will link it down below anyway with all the other products that I use. Stupidly, I forgot my glitter glue, so I'm going to be using eyelash glue to stick this on. I use the NYX glitter glue, so just pretend I'm using that. But I just got eyelash glue here. So I'm just going to place that on like so. Obviously it's safe for your eyes because you use it for eyelashes. Like so. And I'm just going to do the other eye. Okay, so I've done them. Hopefully they stay on. Now the lashes I'm going to be using are the Unicorn lashes in the style Majestic AF. They just look like this. I am just going to apply some lash glue and I will apply them. Okay, so while I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Baby Roll mascara. Okay, so quickly I'm going to apply some highlight. I'm just going to use the Mary Luminizer and apply that to my brow bone. I'm also going to put that in the inner corner. Okay, these are the eyelashes. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to take the orange in the palette on a Morphe M507 brush. Okay, so that's the only eyeshadow I'm going to do on the lower lash line. I'm just going to apply a bit of mascara. Okay, so I was going to do yellow on the inner corner, but I think I'm liking it like this. So that's the eyes done. Now I'm going to zoom out and we'll do lips. Okay, for lips today I have the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade London, which is a nice nude shade. So then for liquid lipstick we're going to be taking the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Strip, which again is a nice like warm nude. Okay, for lip gloss today I'm going to be taking the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Finesse, which is a really nice like clear glittery gloss. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. The eyes I am loving. It's something different to what I would normally do, with the contrast of colours and then the glitter on the eyelids and the glossy lip. So if you did enjoy this look today, make sure to thumbs up this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.